Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 19, 2024, our system has rated Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 8.54% since we first suggested purchasing Apple 15 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.57% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through the weak upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which was broken at $244.28. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on the upward movement. According to fan theory, $260.97 is the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.09% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.55% to 4.60%. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 33.53% over the next year, with a potential return between 11.95% and 42.07%. This translates to a price range of $277.37 to $352.02 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended at $247.77 on Tuesday after gaining 0.413%. The Apple stock price gained 0.413% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024. The price rose from $246.75 to $247.77. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.17%, ranging from a low of $245.34 to a high of $248.21. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.4% over the past 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares traded, valued at approximately $8.39 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $248.21, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 0.18%, or $0.440, below the 52-week high of $248.21, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is making headlines today with significant developments that could influence its stock price both in the short and long term. The announcement about integrating satellite communications into its smartwatches, set for the year 2025, expands Apple's product capabilities, and strengthens its position in the wearable tech market. This innovative feature, along with the upcoming blood pressure monitoring, represents a strategic push into health tech, which can enhance consumer engagement and drive sales, potentially boosting stock performance as these products roll out. Additionally, Apple reached a new all-time high yesterday, marking its 21st record close this year. Such momentum often attracts further investor interest, establishing a positive sentiment around the stock. As more investors take note, we might see an increased demand that could sustain, or even amplify, its bullish trajectory in the short term. Furthermore, recent updates include iOS 18.2 featuring ChatGPT integration, positioning Apple at the forefront of AI technology within consumer devices. This commitment to artificial intelligence not only aligns with current trends, but also enhances the functionality of its devices, appealing to tech-savvy consumers and driving future sales. Lastly, news about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, reporting strong sales signals, robust demand for AI-focused technology, echoing well for Apple's supply chain and future production capacities. Overall, these developments represent a strategic blend of innovation and investor interest that has the potential to positively impact Apple's stock both now and as it moves into the year 2025. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned AAPL an outperform grade alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, UBS also assigned a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies gave AAPL a hold grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, Wedbush rated AAPL as outperform with a hold action. Earlier on Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, KeyBank assigned AAPL an underweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Apple stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which presents a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $243.66 and $231.82. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 11.6%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Although the stock price increased during the last trading day, the trading volume declined, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. On Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, the stock exhibited a golden star signal in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by prolonged and substantial gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, observed 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, seen 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, noted 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, observed 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, identified 142 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $232.87 and $228.20. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $232.87. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $228.20 and $224.23. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.87 between its high and low points, which is 1.17%. For the past week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 1.33%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $2.36. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November in the year 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November in the year 2024, Arthur D. Levinson again sold 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November in the year 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another sale, this time of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November in the year 2024, Chris Kondo sold 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November in the year 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 28.032. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $239.30, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 96, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, a buy signal was triggered by a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Following an analysis of the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of December, We anticipate Apple will open down approximately 663 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $247.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.